Holy cow, who are you?
Dante.
Dante, what are you doing today?
Skydive.
Jumping out of an airplane with a total stranger. You trust me to throw you out of an airplane even though we just met?
Yeah.
You are crazy. Whose idea was this? Always blame the other guy. Always blame the other guy, right? Last words, final comments or confessions before we go do this? Nothing? For me, it's always the same. Please take the computer, the tablet, and the phone, burn everything, throw it in the desert. Let's have some fun. You ready? Let's go have some fun out here. Oh yeah. Let's get up and out of here. Stand next to the numbers and smile. Next to your buddy. What do you think?
That was fun.
Fun, right?
Yeah.
You did great. All the way down. Not bad. Alright, we're live. Fun.
Yeah, that was fun.
You gonna do that again?
Definitely.
Next weekend? Come out and learn how to do it with me?
Yeah.
Fly your own parachute? Good job.
Thank
Welcome
you.
to my world. Woo!